Hi, guys! This looks like fun! I wonder who's going to win this race? Carl, looks like you're going to win! Jerry wins! That's so unfortunate, Carl. But looks like somebody needs supertruck. Amber has been entertaining babies with soapy bubbles when Marley decided to pull a prank and added hardening liquid to the machine. Now the bubbles don't burst and lift the babies up in the air. You have to save them quickly, Carl. It looks like the babies are actually enjoying it. Carl, look! There's Marley! We'll deal with that later. Now we have to save the babies! A super helicopter? Of course! Now, let's save the babies! It's not as easy as you anticipated, is it? Yes! Now you've got it under control, Supertruck! Oh no! It looks like Marley's liquid wore off! The bubbles are popping! Supertruck! The babies will fall on the ground if you don't do something! Don't worry, Amber. Supertruck is on it! Yes! All babies are safe on the ground! It's okay, Amber. Supertruck saved all the babies. Marley, do you see how far your prank went? But thanks to Supertruck, the situation is under control. That is a brilliant idea, Supertruck! The babies are having great fun, and more importantly, it's safe. I wonder what we're going to see in the next episode. Good morning. Carrie, what's the hurry? Walter hasn't turned up to work. What was that? Oh no! What a mess! I think you need some help.
Hey!
Hey, Carl! Carrie needs your help. Walter is missing, and she doesn't know where he is. Poor Karen. She really needs some help. I think Supertruck has an idea.
Renato.
A helicopter! So cool! Are you having fun being a helicopter? Wow, that's amazing! Now to find Walter. It doesn't look like he's in the tire shop. Where would he be? Walter's not at the park either. Where could he be? Wait, what have you seen? Oh, Walter! It looks like you're in trouble, Walter. You were rushing to Carrie's diner when you accidentally drove off a bridge? Oh no! You better be quick, Supertruck, or Walter will fall into the water! That's your thinking look, Supertruck. Of course! The ST3000! It's a grapple to lift Walter! Now let's see how it'll help save our friend! Don't worry, Walter. Supertruck will save you soon. Almost there! Don't worry, Walter. Yes! That was close! Great job, Supertruck! Thank you, Supertruck! Let's tell Carrie you're fine, Walter. See you there, Supertruck! Carrie is pleased to see that you're safe, Walter. Walter has a treat for you, Supertruck. Whoa, careful, Walter. That was close. See you next time, everyone. Thanks again, Carl. Bye!